and welcome to another installment of ClickBank's top offers. And this month we're focused on the top 5 health and fitness offers of April. And you know what they say, April showers bring the greatest top offers. That's what they say. Don't look it up and don't try to look it up. So put on your gardening gloves and let's dig into this month's top health and fitness products on ClickBank. Let's get into some Nutra. At number 5, it is proddentum. Proddentum is one of this year's and last year's best offers on ClickBank. It's a tried and true dental product that has a wide audience and plenty of traction still. It's a dental candy that repopulates the mouth with 3.5 million strains of good bacteria, all aiming to keep the mouth healthy and free of bad bacteria that cause the plaque, the tartar, the cavities, the spots, that kind of nasty things the dentists tell you need to floss over. Affiliates are loving this offer because it consistently converts. The best thing about a dental offer, it applies to people with teeth, which is basically everyone except your grandpa. Plus, you can't beat the EPC on this. Media buyers are getting as high as $1.27 out there on this offer. It has plenty of traction. It continues to be lucrative for affiliates. And if you think this could be the offer for you, which I think it can because everybody's got teeth. Remember that? Teeth. Everybody. Head to the marketplace and check out their stats. Now for everybody on general traffic, it's seeing EPC of about 88 cents, an average payout value of 128 bucks, and a hop conversion rate at about 0.81%. Now that's for the last 30 days. When you start to get into this better time in the summer, it's gonna be really good because people want their teeth to look fresh, man. They want it to look as nice and as white as the swimsuit they're wearing. So you know what? Rock it, promote it, make some money. In spot number 4, we have prostin. Just like proddentum, it starts with a P. It's also a tried and true ClickBank offer, and it's been on the top offers list for a lot of this year and most of last year. It's killing it. Prostin is such a great offer because the product is created by a team of experts who know prostate health and branding. This is their stuff, man. The product itself is in a tincture form, so it's easy to take, it's effective, and it's cute. The branding, it speaks for itself. It's super clean, it's easy to understand, and it's compelling to the applicable audience, which is men over 50 with a prostate. Pair all of this with some great affiliate tools, and this offer can't be beat. So head to the marketplace to learn more, and let's dive into the numbers, okay? It has an EPC of $1.99, which is nuts. An average payout value of $131.06, and a hop conversion rate of 1.72%. It is amazing. The thing you just gotta realize is when you're promoting it, everyone has teeth, not everyone has a prostate. So you are gonna have to target, that is gonna kind of whittle down the funnel a bit, but it's still converting amazing, and it doesn't have to be spring, fall, summer, winter. People have prostates in all seasons. So go, promote it. And that's what the scientists say. In spot number 3, it's a new one, it's a great one, and it's for the teeth. It's called Denticor, and Denticor is another dental offer that is absolutely crushing it. And similar to proddentum, the supplement offer creators figured out that a dental supplement needs to be painless and tasty, so they created a chewable dental supplement that tastes good, like a mint. Denticor supports overall mouth health by oxygenating the gums, which helps oxygenate the entire body, which in turn helps stave off more accumulation of bacteria, which I feel like oxygenate should have been in there for a third time. I'm just gonna say it. So with an impressive APV, awesome affiliate tools, and a proven product, this is an affiliate's dream come true. Think it could be the right one for you? Maybe. You know, she's been checking you out in the corner. Well, check it out in the marketplace or head to the affiliate tools page to learn more. You wanting some numbers? I'll give you some numbers. EPC, $1.13. Average payout value, $162.50. And the hop conversion rate, 0.70%, which you're like, how does that make sense? Hop conversion rate is not as high as everything else. That average payout value is money, man. $162. Man, the EPC is tracking out, but you gotta remember if it has a lower conversion rate, you gotta ride those highs and lows a bit longer. So the lows are gonna be a bit lower. So you gotta be able to have the capital put up to ride through it. But if you do, man, it's gonna pay itself off. Great offer, go promote it, find it in the marketplace. If you want more cool top offer stuff, click the links below, subscribe, like us, tell us we're awesome. Post in the comments like, man, where did he get his shirt? Can I get a shirt like that? I want to dress just like him because he's so good. He's so good with the clothes. Now back to top offer stuff. At number 2, we got Sugar Defender. In this age of blood sugar, there's so much conversation online, offline, around the water cooler about Ozempic and Wegovy and what to do about insulin resistance. And, can I eat a lot at Thanksgiving or at Easter or at Christmas? Well, enter Sugar Defender. This all-natural, non-habit forming supplement is a blend of more than 6 all-natural ingredients that stabilizes blood sugar, promotes energy and fat loss, and combats that infuriating brain fog that comes from blood sugar issues. This offer has great testimonials, excellent affiliate tools, and plenty of audience segments to reach. If you think this could be the right offer for you, well, check out the affiliate tools, and I bet you'll think, yeah, I think it is. Now let's get into the numbers. It has an EPC of 69 cents. Nice. Average payout value of $138.36 and a hop conversion rate of 0.56%. And you're probably out here being like, but it's not a percent. He always says, look for the ones for a percent. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, the media buyers on this one are seeing rates much higher. These are from a ton of people promoting it all at the same time. And when you get that, you're gonna have a lot of different levels of affiliates, a lot of different abilities, and sometimes that can lower it, or people are at far high scales and they're okay with running a bit closer to that red line when it comes to margin. But I can tell you, if you do promote it, it converts really well, and our best affiliates are still promoting this at a high level. So go promote it and make some money on it because it's a killer one. And in spot number 1, it's Pronail Complex. Pronail Complex, an antifungal mist that combats toenail fungus, utilizes a blend of 13 essential oils to restore foot health. This offer is a new one to the top offers, and clearly it is crushing it. It's an effective product that's easy to use with a wide audience because everybody has toes, almost more than they have teeth. Plus, they have free gifts for folks who order multiple bottles, so that's a killer one. This offer is great for new affiliates and seasoned affiliates alike, and if you're currently promoting health and fitness offers, or if you're like, I want to get into promoting the health and fitness stuff, well, you should try it out. Check out those stats, check out their affiliate page, and now let's just dive into the numbers because they're awesome. So it's got an EPC of 91 cents, an average payout value of $133.47, and it has a hop conversion rate of 1.06%. It is trending on the way that we like to see for a good health and fitness offer, and it's a really good one that can be used all year round because everyone has to take a bath sometimes, and they're gonna have to look at their toes and be like, ew. And they're gonna want something for that. That's where this comes in, and you're gonna wanna promote it because it's gonna pay you some good money. So go, promote it. Thanks for joining us. So give us your questions, your comments, your insights. Tell me how good I look. And one more thing, make sure to like, subscribe, share, all that jazz to stay in the loop of all things ClickBank top offers. I'll see you next month, I hope. Or maybe they're gonna replace me, because the people last month, the girls, they were really good. They were like, man, they were way better. I feel like they got you. I feel like they got me. Like they understood me. But you know what? Do they have a green shirt? No, I do. So see you next month.